Hi guys, today we come up with a new product, and this is really an amazing product for from the gaming perspective. You can play different games. His name is Ruckus 4-in-1 Pro Game Kit. It includes headphones, keyboard, mouse, and mouse pad. Wow, amazing deal, like 4-in-1. And it has elite sound, ergonomic design, and it's specially built for gaming. Wow, amazing. This has a LED backlight, so when you play it you can feel your real game. So any other feature we would like to cover here? So it has the details on for the keyboard, gaming mouse, headphones, and a mouse pad. So let's do some unboxing for that. So we'll open it up. Be careful while opening. So it has 4 sides to open. So you can use any sharp tool to open it up. I think it's open, yeah. Here we go. See, ergonomic design, it's amazing. The texture for PB is amazing. Okay. Wow, like honeycomb structure. Headphones, you can cover all the ears, you can feel the beat and sound, and I think it is adjustable as well. So it comes with the USB port and also with the other as well, and USB mouse. So amazing. Let's see how it works during play and have fun. Thank you for watching, guys. See you next time. Bye.